It's your boy Ray Love reporting live. You know, we got here in LES. This is fucking. What's this shit called? Blizzard's Nemo. It's coming down pretty hard, I guess. It looks like shit. I mean, I've seen worse. But you see what it is. Straight out the projects, you know. My mom's house is down the block over there. And yeah, pretty much that's just it. It's the big blizzard everybody keeps talking about. Don't look that scary to me, but whatever. Holla at your boy. Follow me on Instagram, you know, at Ray Loves You. Twitter at Ray Loves You. Add me on Facebook, Ray Love. RSREYLOVEU. On everything, y'all already know what it is. Holla at me.